and slow and fast.
Gusto ko yung slow and fast.
And slow and fast. And slow and fast. Good morning, everyone! Talaga namang we're super happy to be finally out. Mas lalo nang magiging masaya at le-level ang chikahan. Bonding natin dito sa
Mars pa more! Yes, oh yes, oh yes. We're moving on sa mga mas masasayang paandaran. At syempre, ang maganda dito, Mars, dahil sa bongga nating setup, may chance pa rin tayong makipag-virtual chikahan with our friends and guests, of course.
I love it, I love it, I so love it. Kaya ito na nga, let's call in our two lovely guests for this morning.
Woohoo! Marjorie! Come on in, Marjorie! Yes naman!
Yan, wow!
Hotness!
So hot!
In the morning!
I love it! Kamusta ka, Cherie?
Eto, virgin na virgin.
Yan! Pack na pack!
Yun ulit eh, no?
I love it! In short, ibig sabihin, Mars, fresh na fresh.
Yes,
fresh na
Diba?
fresh.
Fresh na fresh siya. But you've been okay during this pandemic. I mean, kanina, kailan ba yun? That was last year, no? Na nakipag-pole dancing ka pa para sa amin.
Yes, sabi ko nga, baka next time pwedeng kasama na kayong dalawa.
Actually, kailan mo
check ko yung schedule ko.
Kailan mo
Baka
kami?
kasi Mars.
Pero kasi di ba, Mars, do you remember? Ang dami niyang ganap. She was also learning
She was
music
painting.
production.
Yes.
Na-imported pa nga yung teacher mo, Mars, di ba?
Yes, that's true.
Okay.
Kasi syempre si Marcos Davis.
So, nasaan na ba tayo in life?
Well, ngayon, gumagawa na ng mga movies ulit. Kasi syempre, kahit nung pandemic naman, we tried to work on making films pa rin. Medyo nakakaapat na film yung ginawa namin.
Iba talaga
Siyempre,
itong si
kailangan
Mars.
natin matindi
Totoo
ang
naman.
pangangailangan, Mars.
Yeah, and Mars, it's also nice to stay productive, di ba?
Yes,
Kahit
of
nitong
course.
pandemya. At ito naman, syempre, sending us love from the virtual world, Mars, Diana Meneses! Mars!
Ay,
wow,
grabe!
ganda.
Ay,
Mars,
grabe naman yung...
Mars, uwian na. Let's go. Uwian na
Sumakit.
talaga.
Bye, guys.
Oo nga, ginalingan niya eh. Oh, hey,
Ulo ko sa yung paano niya, Mars, may pagano'n siya.
Hi, mga Mars! Sorry, konting
Ano mo kami,
delay.
Diana, ha?
Oo nga, naghihintay lang daw siya sa atin, yung itsura niya na yun, Mars.
Ay, grabe.
How are you, Mars, Diana? How have you been?
Ayan, I'm good. I'm busy. I'm doing a lot of, how do you say it? Soul searching. Yung totoong soul searching talaga. Oo, yung parang inner work and then a lot of healing and I don't know, my life has changed a lot and I think the pandemic helped.
When you say soul searching, Mars, what did you mean by it? Ano-ano yung mga pinagkaabalahan mo para sa sarili mo?
Ever since 2018, when I got sick with cancer, then I started like healing myself in different ways, like learning things about myself, learning things about the environment that I'm in, and the people I'm getting myself involved with, and you know how everything has to just like clean itself up. The things that I take, for example, my food has changed, my diet has changed completely. Even if people would look at me and say, oh, ang healthy mo, or ang sexy mo, ganon. Like, it's different pa rin when you're healthy. And now I can say I'm fully, completely healthy and also like mentally okay. You know, that's what I think I mean by soul searching.
At
That's
saka,
wonderful, Mars.
Mars, medyo
Thank
sumagat
you.
yung ganda niya.
Yeah, as in nakikita, I mean,
Ay, grabe
Mars
kayo.
Diana has always been beautiful,
She
Mars.
has always been stunning, but
But she's glowing.
Yes.
She's glowing. Tsaka
Oh,
makikita mo
kayo.
na yung happiness niya
Thank
comes
you.
from within.
Yes,
No?
yes.
Nice one, Mars.
Thank
That's
you.
great to know. Okay, so
Thank
bago
you.
natin ituloy ang mga may intrigang chikahan, meron kaming mga isi-share dito sa...
talaga ba, Mars?
Yeah.
Nabalitaan niyo ba? Nabalitaan niyo na ba yun, Mars?
No, I've never heard of it.
Okay.
First time ko itong mabalitaan, Mars.
Oh, well, apparently, munching on apples daw kasi helps our mouth generate more saliva na isang natural na paraan para mawala ang bad breath. Kaya nakakatulong din daw ito to lessen oral bacteria. O, di ba?
So, bago ka pala kissing scene
Actually,
sa mga
alam mo nga,
show.
na-realize ko na mas maraming
Pwede
naging
na,
conscious sa breath nila nitong pandemya. Kasi sila na nakaka-experience, Mars. Kung nag-toothbrush sila o hindi, hindi na ibang tao. So parang mas naging maalaga sila sa oral health nila. Diba? Fairness dyan, maliban sa maraming health benefits ng apple, isa pa to dyan.
Nakakatanggal siya ng bad breath. O, di
Love
ba?
it.
Talaga ba, Mars? Sana, Mars, i-take nila yung patrivia mo ng seryosohin nila. Totoo po talaga yun, ha? Nakakatanggal daw talaga ng
Oo.
bad breath.
Yes, yes. Okay, so that is my input for today's Talaga Ba, Mars?
Aha.
Kayo ba, meron ba kayong
May
participation?
meron ba tayong mga dagdag, may contribution ba
Oh, may
tayo
contribution
dito?
ba kayo dito?
For us
Marjorie.
parents daw, one way para malaman kung nagsisinungaling ang ating bagets ay kapag nagbago ang pitch na Bisaya. ang pitch ng boses nila pag tinatanong natin sila. So,
Okay.
siguro example yung yung parang, kumain ka ba ng chocolate?
Hindi ako kumain ng chocolate.
Yan, ganyan.
Anong chocolate?
Di, dapat mas
Anong ganyan?
Dapat mas mataas pa. Mas mataas pa.
Mas mataas pa?
Oo, di ba? Ganun sila.
Hindi ako kumain ng chocolate.
Yung parang,
Hindi ako kumain ng chocolate. Hindi ako kumain.
ganon.
At saka siguro kasi parang it somehow indicates that they're defensive.
Yes,
Diba,
yes.
Mars? Yung parang, agad? Parang deflect
Pero may
agad.
chocolate dito sa ngipin na
Oo,
kasama.
tsaka dito sa may gilid. Hindi, tsaka sa damit nila kasi ginamit nilang pambuka.
Correct. Or sa mga kuko-kuko.
Oo. Diba? Talaga ba, Mar?
Yan!
Yan.
May ganon, no?
So, eto na nga mga Mars. Kayo ba ay nangangamote sa math? Kasi kung ganun, may solusyon ako dyan, Mars. Kumain kayo ng tsokolate. Akalain mo, new study suggests na meron daw isang component ang mga tsokolate na nakakatulong sa pag-increase ng blood flow sa utak natin. Kaya mas gumagana raw ito. At applicable rin daw ang technique na ito when dealing with other mentally challenging tasks. Dahil dyan, Mars,
Ay,
Talaga? Mahilig ako kumain ng chocolate.
Ako
Bakit hindi
din.
ko pa rin makompute yung sweldo ko? Charot.
ako nga mahilig naman ako ng tsokolate nung bata ako, pero wala naman ako sa math. Di ba?
Baka new study kasi baka naman may kailangang flavor na idagdag.
Hindi, I think
Or
kasi siguro-
almond chocolate siguro.
Siyempre kasi medyo health conscious na yung mga tao ngayon. So iba na rin yung paggawa ng tsokolate ngayon.
Maaari. Talaga ba, Mars? Sobrang chismosa.
Gusto mong malaman? Ay, oo.
Oo. Tama yan.
Teka lang, alam mo, hindi lang kasi tayong tatlo yung may contribution dito.
Aba, syempre,
Oo,
Mars.
Si Diana
syempre.
meron din.
Mars,
Nandun yung
Diana.
dito.
Ano bang pa-trivia mo dyan?
Unang-una natutuwa talaga ako sa, talaga ba, Mars?
O yan!
Ay, ang ganda lang talaga
Ganda.
ba, Mars niya?
Chismos, ang gandang chismosa nito, no?
Tingnan niyo tayo sa ibang mga
Kasi lately, di ba? I don't know kung ma-connect kayo dyan, kung ma-relate po kayo dyan. Kasi ako, kalimuting talaga ako. Lagi, lagi. So may mind hack naman ako sa inyo. Like every time na may gagawin kayo na, di ba minsan may ginagawa tayo na nilagay natin yung susi somewhere or something. So for example, yung key. Kahit ganito siya kalaki, minsan nakakalimutan ko na rin kung nasaan siya. So you have to say it out loud. Ilagay ko yung susi ko sa lamesa, for example. And then, in a way, it helps your brain to remember na doon mo nilagay yon because you said it. It kind of like activates a part of your brain where it's gonna tell you na andun yon because you vocally expressed it. So yun. So yun yung mind hack ko para sa inyo. At ito na. Talaga ba, Mars?
Of course, Diana, ha? That makes a lot of
It
sense.
does actually. Kasi even like memorizing lines,
Yes.
diba?
You have to
It really
read it
helps you
aloud
say it
for you
out.
to actually remember it.
Yes.
Diba?